Get ready for the Bolivar Christmas Market, Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend in Crystal Beach, Texas at Festival Park. Arts, crafts, clothing, woodwork, bags, and more. Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and welcome to our Latitude show. Fall on Bolivar Peninsula, coastal charm meets laid-back living. As summer fades and the air turns crisp, Bolivar Peninsula transforms into a tranquil paradise for those seeking relaxation with a splash of adventure. Fall brings out the best of this slice of Texas Gulf Coast, with a painted sky sunsets, fewer crowds, and the soothing rhythm of the surf along 27 miles of drivable beachfront. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or a coastal escape, this season is pure magic. Stroll the beach in the cool morning breeze, watch pelicans glide low over the waves, and enjoy the smell of salt air mixed with the promise of fresh seafood waiting nearby. Fall on Bolivar means bonfires, birding, and cozy evenings under the glowing skies that turn pink, orange, and gold as the sun dips into the bay. Stop by Latitude Surf Shop. No trip on Bolivar is complete without a stop at Latitude 29 Surf Shop in Crystal Beach, Texas. This local gym is packed with coastal style, from comfy hoodies and graphic tees to hats, sandals, and beach gear that fit perfectly with the relaxation and Bolivar vibe. As the temperatures dip, Latitude rolls out the new fall arrivals for both locals and visitors with warm flannels, cozy sweatshirts, and stylish outerwear that's perfect for chilly beach nights. In fact, let's see what Mike, owner of Latitude 29 Surf Shop, has in store for us today.
Hey Dave, thanks for dropping in, Latitude 29.2. Guys, we just had a ton of hook come in. So all of our winter hook just came in. I'm super excited about a lot of these pieces. I've got on a hoodie right here that's a great hoodie for going out fishing, being out on the beach during the winter time, which it's starting to get cooler. It's so beautiful out in the morning if you haven't been down here. We've got a bunch of long sleeves, some camo long sleeve. Hey, that goes with our little beach, little western look. We've got a bunch of t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts. I've got a couple of designs in that, different colors. I've got some more long sleeve hoodies, another long sleeve hoodie here. Look at this quarter zip. This is so dadgum soft, guys. I gotta tell you, I love this jacket. It's super soft. I have it in a couple of different colors there. And I've got a bunch of t-shirts and a bunch of t-shirts like this. I've got a bunch of short sleeve shirts. I've got some just your typical fishing shirt that we've got from them. Here's some more t-shirts. Look at that crab, isn't that awesome? Anyhow, I got all kinds of fun stuff from Hooks. We had a huge delivery come in that I'm still dropping. And I still have a bunch of polos and some other shirts. I love this shirt. This is an awesome shirt. So take a look at that one with Billfish on it. Anyhow, drop by Latitude 29.2 for the men, for Christmas. Come in, get them some hook gear, because this is awesome stuff, and they will love it. I promise they'll love it. I will tell you, it's a very full cut. Hook cuts their stuff very full. So larger men out there, this is the most comfortable brand I've got for you. So come on in to Latitude 29.2 and try out our stuff. Look at our hook collection here for the men for Christmas. Thanks, and have a wonderful time.
Latitude 29 Surf Shop team brings a true Bolivar hospitality to every visit, making the shop more than a store. It's a part of an experience. Explore Bolivar Peninsula for your fall getaway. As the season rolls on, you'll find fewer cars on the beach, quieter evenings, and a stronger sense of connection with the coast. Whether you're here for fishing, bird watching, or just a relaxing weekend of beach walks and boutique shopping, Bolivar in the fall is a reminder that paradise doesn't need palm trees. It just needs a peaceful breeze, sea breeze, and a little surf shop charm. Well, as you can see, the beach is looking great. fall's a perfect time to get away, and with Thanksgiving weekend coming, make your plans now. Well, I'm David with Bolivar Live for this week and a trip to Paradise and Latitude 29 Surf Shop. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.
Well, some other stuff we got coming in for Christmas. We got tons of hats. We are your Christmas hat stop, shop, stop. Anyhow, we are the place to come for Christmas hats. Ladies, I couldn't get any of the women in here to wear and model and come on camera with the hats. So, you know what? I'll just have